How to use Wattpad website on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Wattpad stories website on PC easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Wattpad and log into your account or create one if you don't have it. Now as you can see, this is the home page of the website. If you want to write a story, click here and click on create new story, and as you can see you will be able to fill all those informations and create your story from the cover, the title, and then write it. And if you want to edit your profile or change your name, picture or something, click here and click on settings, and here as you can see you will be able to change all those informations from the username, password, profile picture, the background, and many other options. You can also manage notifications from here, or you can see your muted accounts. Now let's go back to the home page. If you want to read some stories, all what you have to do is choose the story that you want and click on it like this. For example, this is a paid one, so I'm gonna choose this one. It's free. Click on it and click on start reading, and then you will be able to start reading the story. And yeah, it's very easy to use and so good and fun. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later in the next video.